Happy Tuesday, Brent Tallman here with Fairway Independent Mortgage with another mortgage market update. It is December 27th. This is the last one for 2022. So I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and are looking forward to a new year. Yes, I'm wearing a jacket. Yes, it's cold in Florida. Anything below 70 is cold, but when it's in the 30s, then it's excruciating cold here. So anyways, with that being said, let's get to the last market update of the year. Rates this week, unfortunately, have gone up a little bit, mainly due to the Bank of Japan reversing their policy on inflation. They were in a deflation, now they're in inflation, and so they changed their rate policy, and that impacted us. We are increasingly becoming a globally intertwined community financially, and so what happened overseas is impacting us in a much greater way than it ever has before. And so we have to pay attention to those markets now as well. So the average conventional rate, according to Mortgage News Daily, and they do this every day, is 6.32. That's up 0.15. And FHA is 5.85. That's up 0.12 from last week. Like I said, mainly due to the inflation numbers that came in on Japan. Not a whole lot going on this week. Trading will be slow. Not a lot of market news coming up. They do have some housing data coming up. Inflation will continue to be the driver in 2023. So as long as inflation remains high or continues to get higher, rates are going to continue to get higher. If inflation comes down, then we'll begin to see rates come down as well, and that is the prediction. So, but there's no guarantee on that, and that's why I always say now is the best time to buy, because as rates come down, more buyers are going to be in the pool. So it's a great time to buy. And so that brings me to a focus for 2023. What we really need in this industry and in life in general is leaders. And we're not just realtors and we're not just lenders. We are leaders. And we are leading people to a better financial future for them and for their family. And so it's very, very important that we act on that we act like leaders, and we provide the leadership that people need. A lot of negative news out there, a lot of instability. People are unsure of what's going to happen. We just came out of the pandemic, so there's a lot going on. It's a great time for leaders to rise, and you are that leader. As a realtor, you are that leader. And so key leadership principles I think you should implement in 2023 that will help us grow. And that is, one is serve. Be a servant. Think about the needs of your client first. What best benefits them? Listen first and see what they need. So be a servant. Secondly, vision. Be a visionary for your clients. A vision is about a preferred future. And so show that to them. Yes, maybe rates are higher than what they thought. Yes, maybe housing price is higher than what they thought. But be a visionary for your clients. And lastly, be a doer. Guide them on practical steps and practical things they can do to help them get into a home or an investment property, whatever the case is. So be a leader for your clients. You're not just a realtor, you're a leader. And so take that to heart. With that being said, obviously 2022 is coming to a close. So I do have business planning book I would be happy to share with you as a realtor if you want to put some numbers and put some action steps to your plans for 2023. Would love to have a one-on-one with you about that. Secondly, January 12th, we are having our second of many happy hours. This is Drinks Are On Us. This one's going to be in DeLand at Cafe Da Vinci from 5 to 7 on January 12th. So mark your calendars, let me know that you're going to be there. And last but not least, February 7th, we are going to be starting Fanatical Prospects for 6 weeks. It's going to be a Monday morning, 7:30 to 8:30, so that we start our week off right. There's going to be some accountability, practical steps that you can be to become a better prospector, which is really what this business is all about. So with that being said, I wish you all a very happy New Year. And if there's anything I can do for you or somebody you know, please don't hesitate to reach out. And remember this, now is always the best time to buy. Take care.